The Backdoor Roth IRA is one of the most straightforward, highest value tax strategies available to high earners, and is being really underused because too many advisors are not bringing it up. The Backdoor Roth is how you get into a Roth IRA every year, legally, and no cost other than the contribution itself. It is a completely 100% legal strategy where you make a non-deductible contribution to a traditional IRA and immediately convert those funds into a Roth IRA. The income limit becomes irrelevant. Why would you want a Roth IRA in the first place? Well, the Roth IRA is the best legal tax shelter available to investors. Once you're over 59 and a half and the Roth has been open at least 5 years, everything you take out of the Roth IRA is 100% tax-free. So what are the limitations that the Backdoor Roth IRA conversion solves for you? For 2026, if you have access to a 401k at work and you are single making more than 91K, you cannot make a deductible pre-tax IRA contribution. Married filing jointly with a 401k at work, the limit is $149K. For people living in really expensive parts of the country like New York City, making $100,000 is like making $30,000 to $40,000 in other parts of the US. But you're still not allowed to be subject to these limitations if you're married filed jointly where your spouse is covered by a 401k plan. The phase out ends at a higher number of $252K. On the Roth IRA side, if you're single and make more than $160K, you cannot contribute directly to the Roth IRA. If you're married filing jointly, that limit is a higher $252. So high earners are blocked from both the deductible IRA and the direct Roth IRA contribution. How Backdoor Roth IRA conversion works. The Backdoor Roth gets around the Roth IRA income limits because there's no income limit on conversions. You make a contribution to a traditional IRA, do not claim a deduction, making it an after-tax IRA contribution, and then you just immediately convert it to Roth. Since you already pay tax on that money and it has not had time to earn any interest, the conversion to the Roth IRA is tax-free. The IRS sets an income limit on direct Roth contributions, but they left the conversion door wide open. That is the backdoor. The difference between a backdoor Roth and a standard Roth conversion is the source of the money. A standard Roth conversion takes existing pre-tax IRA money and then moves it or converts it to Roth, triggering ordinary income tax on the amount converted. But the backdoor Roth starts with an after-tax contribution to a traditional IRA or money that has already been taxed. So when you convert it to Roth, there's nothing left to tax because it's after tax. It is a conversion in structure, but it starts from after-tax dollars instead of pre-tax ones. If you are self-employed, high earner, you could actually be doing even more with a Mega Backdoor Roth 401k. The difference between a Backdoor Roth IRA and a Mega Backdoor Roth 401k comes down to the account type and the contribution limits. The Backdoor Roth is exclusive to IRA and is capped at $7,500 or $8,600 if you're over 50 for 2026. The Mega Backdoor Roth 401k involves a solo 401k as a retirement plan for the self-employed with a $72,000 contribution limit. It is a plan meant for self-employed individuals with no full-time employees under the owners and their spouse. The mechanics for a Backdoor Roth and a Mega Backdoor Roth 401k are the same. You make an after-tax contribution, do not claim the deduction on that contribution, and then convert it tax-free to Roth. The Mega Backdoor gives you the option to convert inside the 401k plan itself, or actually to roll the after-tax contribution to an IRA without needing a planned triggering event, like leaving your job or turning 59 and a half. This allows you to do almost 10 times the amount of the standard Backdoor Roth IRA. And you can keep the money in the 401k, or you can decide to move it into the IRA. If you want to learn more about what a solo 401k is and how to set one up, you can check out this video in the link in the description below. I cover all different retirement accounts like solo 401ks and IRAs in it. The Backdoor Roth IRA seems complicated, but it really comes down to 3 simple steps. First, you open a traditional IRA and contribute up to the annual maximum. That's $7,526 or $8,600 if you're over 50. You do not claim a tax deduction for this contribution. That makes it an after-tax traditional IRA, which is still technically a traditional IRA, not a Roth. Second, you convert the contribution to a Roth IRA. Because the money was already after tax, you already pay tax on it, and you're converting it immediately before it earns any meaningful interest in the after-tax account, there is no income to tax. Third, you do this every year. It is a recurring annual strategy, not a one-time move. There is one wrinkle in the backdoor Roth IRA that has to be understood before executing it, and that is the pro-rata rule. If you already have an existing pre-tax IRA sitting somewhere, you cannot just convert your after-tax contribution 100% tax-free. The IRS looks at all of your traditional IRA money, both pre-tax and after-tax combined, and applies a pro-rata formula. Here's an easy example. Say you have $5,000 in a regular pre-tax IRA from 20 years ago. Today, you put in $5,000 as an after-tax contribution to a traditional IRA with the intention of converting it to Roth. The IRS says you now have $10,000 in total IRA money. $5,000 pre-tax, $5,000 after-tax. 5 divided by 10 is 50%. So only 50% of what you want to convert comes out tax-free. The other 50% is subject to income tax. The government's logic is that you already have pre-tax IRA money out there, and you cannot selectively move just the after-tax dollars to Roth without accounting for what else is sitting in that pre-tax bucket. That is the only real complication with the backdoor Roth IRA, and it only applies if you have existing pre-tax IRA balances out there. The backdoor Roth ranks at the top of tax optimization strategies because it is the Super Bowl of tax savings. If you have $7,500 or $8,600 sitting available to invest, there is no reason not to put it into a Roth IRA every single year. You do not pay tax on the investment returns, and it compounds 100% completely tax-free. Every high earner should be doing this annually. At IRA Financial, when you open a traditional IRA to execute the backdoor Roth IRA strategy, we provide the traditional IRA account for free and charge only for the Roth account, one fee. You are using the traditional IRA as just a pass-through account, and we handle the reporting and all the tax documentation that tracks your after-tax contributions and conversions. If you want us to handle it for you, please book a free consultation with one of our amazing tax experts at IRA Financial in the link in the description below. Now, before you act, you need to consider this. The backdoor Roth is not the right answer in every situation, and there are factors that determine whether a traditional IRA or a straight taxable brokerage account is actually the better call. The biggest consideration is tax bracket management. If you have $500K in a pre-tax 401k that you have rolled into an IRA, you probably do not want to just convert the entire amount in a single year, because doing so would push you into a much higher tax bracket and create a potentially massive tax bill. The better approach is to convert a portion each year and stay within your current tax bracket. The right time to do a Roth conversion is when your income is lower than usual. This goes for a backdoor or a standard conversion. If you're retired, between jobs, or have net operating losses to offset, those are the years to accelerate Roth IRA conversions. The investment type matters too. If you're holding fixed income and not expecting significant appreciation, the urgency of getting into a Roth IRA is lower. But if you believe the investment is going to appreciate significantly, like real estate or private equity or Bitcoin, a Roth IRA conversion makes much more sense because all of that upside comes out completely 100% tax-free. You can do a Roth IRA conversion at any age. There's no cutoff. The practical consideration is whether it makes sense to pay income tax upfront at your current age and in your current tax bracket. The earlier the conversion, the more time and tax-free compounding works in your favor. The downside risk of conversion is real, and it's worth naming. For example, if you convert a position worth $100K to a Roth and pay income tax on that amount, then the investment collapses the way Lehman Brothers or Silicon Valley Bank did. You just paid income tax on $100,000 worth of an asset and it's now worth nothing. The upside is that the same $100K grows to $1 million inside of your Roth IRA, and that every single dollar comes out tax-free. If you want to execute your backdoor Roth IRA correctly, IRA Financial is here to handle every part of the process. Book a free consultation with the link in the description below, and let us make sure you are not leaving this off the table. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.